Alright guys, I got another update video for you. I pulled the carburetor out and I took the bowl off for the boat motor, and it's just really gross. So what I'm gonna end up doing is I'm just gonna be going through the whole bowl, and the reason why this one leaked, you can see it's clearly cracked right there. So that's why it was just dripping fuel. And so I took the carburetor from this boat motor and put it on this one. I don't know, I might keep it that way or maybe not. I just got the cover on this. There's nothing inside of there. I can pop it off quick. Just pull this handle down and then lift it. And there it goes. And that's how that looks. So it's just got the one screw holding the top on. But the clamp and everything should be good to go. I got this cover on now. I got it all touched up in there, right there, down here. I got even the front of the handles all touched up. So it's all good to go. So the paint should be all good on that. And for all this mess right here, that is the lower unit of this. I even got that seal loose, so I took all the seals out of it. You can see they're all loose. I just left them where they go so I know what ones they are. And I forgot it upstairs, but I did get my seal kit for it today. This one was a pain to get out of there. Stuck in there pretty good, so I have a good feeling that that one was gonna leak. There's the rest of it, and then all the other seals. So I'll be putting that together maybe tonight. My gear, this one that was bad, ordered it, or I should say it's in the cities and should be here tomorrow. And as far as this goes, I have no idea when the pistons are even going to be here. I got my brand new spark plugs in there for now. Still got to take it all apart. But just waiting for the pistons. I'm going to rebuild the carburetor and clean it out. And then I got to put a new end on this wire. And for the ignition coils, I took that little one and it just kind of like pushed right back in there. So I'm hoping that that's good enough. And we'll just see if it has spark or not. And hopefully it does. And as far as this ground wire that I didn't like, it was just missing the little casing. So it's got a good inch of bare wire. So I don't know, I was thinking about just making another one of these if I find the right gauge. Otherwise, I mean, this one's not so bad, but I'd prefer just to have a new one. So I'll probably just make a new one. And then for the four-wheeler, the belt is super loose. Like, yeah, just look at that. So I could feel it slip for sure when I ride it. So there's the OEM Polaris part number 3211077. So I found another one laying around. It's just on the parts shelf over there. That's why I have those three out, because I was trying to find it. And I'm gonna switch it out quick and see if that don't fix being loose, because that one is definitely slipping, and that one should be okay. And then I don't know if I still need a primary clutch or not, because I feel like this is the thing making noise when it's running, but I am not sure. So I'm gonna start with the belt and go from there. And then hopefully I'll be able to get some more things done to this soon. And same with this motor for sure. As soon as that gear comes, I can get the whole lower unit together and on it and filled, I think. Oh yeah, for sure. When the gear comes, I'll just rob the spacer from this one so I can put the propeller on it. And then when the spacer comes, I don't know. No hurry for this. So just for sure have this one together, and then you know, the spacer will probably get here before the pistons anyways. But then also back to the four-wheeler. Sorry, I'm kind of jumping around. This whole thing is split all along there. I have no idea what caused that. Even the whole inside of there. So I'll have to try and seal that up with some like silicone or epoxy or something. Because when I was up north, I tried with epoxy already, and half of it already split. So I'm not sure if that was my noise, but it definitely sounds like the clutch because I just rode it. So we're gonna start with the belt, like I said, and that's pretty much it, guys. That's all that I can think of. Definitely gonna be rebuilding the carburetor, getting the seal kit put in, and getting the belt changed. So I'm gonna get that done real quick. Well, for sure the belt part of it. I'll try and show you guys the carburetor part because I know I haven't showed you that yet. I just popped the seals out real quick because, you know, I already showed you guys that with rebuilding that lower unit. So, you know, kind of boring to show it again. So, I don't know. Maybe I'll record me putting them in this time. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, guys. I got the other belt on here now. And, way better. And, this thing is obviously just old and stretched out. So that is garbage. It rode way better with this one. So I'm just going to stick with that one. Leave the clutches for now. And if they become a problem, then I'll change them then. But I'm just going to slap the cover back on it so I can use it for now as the tow rig. And hopefully start working on the rest here real soon. Alright guys, back to the Scrambler. So I got the cover on, but for some reason it didn't fit right. And I don't know. Now when I started, probably the secondary clutch rubs on the cover. So that being said, just means that this has to get done. So I'm just gonna take the rear plastics off of it and get what I want to do to it done. So I'm gonna start on that, and you guys will see soon. I'm gonna need someone's help, but you guys will see soon. So stay tuned.